Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another day, another video, and we are in my kitchen. I'm going to do kitchen makeover or kitchen reveal. Yes, so when I moved here, I purposed to change my table, to change a lot of things. And the last time I updated you, our microwave had failed, so we have replaced that. And I'm going to be showing you everything that we have changed. And I'll put a small snippet or segment of what we had before, the table that was here before. So right now we got this kitchen table. So we got this kitchen table that's 1 meters by, like, I don't know, 60. Let me show you on this end. This the length, and then the width and the length. It's a big one, and then it has this storage drawer where I've still not organized it, but I put some few things away for the baby. I also like how he painted it gray on the inside. I got my local carpenter to do it, and I really like it. So down there it's for placing the gas cylinder. And then there's for things. I've still not organized it. I'll do a kitchen organization. Anywho, what I wanted to show you is we replaced that. You remember we had a white one. We got this one, LG, to match the brand in this house. And then now we got a kitchen stand. What do you call it? No, a microwave stand to help with organizing this space. So that's what I want to do. And then that will be it. So we got this. I have the instruction manual, so I'm trying to assemble it as fast as I can. And it's a very easy to assemble. So it shows you all the instructions of what is needed and how you fix it. So it's a two level microwave stand. I got it from a shop in town. It's like an online shop, but they have a pickup location in town. So you fix these things. I'm hoping it will help with storage in this kitchen, because it's like you get into a big kitchen and then somehow it still becomes small. But I'm trying every day to declutter, to make sure there isn't clutter in the kitchen, because what's the need of having a big kitchen and then it's cluttered? So that's the first layer. Then second one, I'm supposed to put these four things on the edges. I'm glad the microwave fits just fine. I'm going to place some of my spices and stuff here as I continue organizing this space. I didn't want to do a very big video like a kitchen reveal. I like the small updates that I'm able to do on a budget, slowly by slowly, as I get to create my dream kitchen. So this is the year for upgrading and getting the things that I have planned and dreamed for. Yeah, so it's, once you get the gist, it's easy to assemble it. And this one fits. It fits over here. Yes, there. And there. Still put it opposite. Okay. There. And there. And then this one fits here. tell me what you think about this rack. I know it's not very handy, but it will serve the purpose for now. So one of the things I'll place there is the spices. I'll place them on this rack on this side, because we don't want to place things on top of the microwave. And then you have those spices, and you still have another basket full. Yeah, there. Then I wanted to show you, we usually use pink Himalayan salt. Now we got black Himalayan salt. It's black in color, much finer than the pink one. So in case you would like to try this one, you're welcome to order. Then we had to get the white salt for iodine for some reason. This is just the normal Ken salt. So yeah, so that's the microwave stand. I hope it serves the purpose. Over here we'll place some dish towels so that it's more convenient to have them. But I'll keep working on the space until I'm comfortable with how it looks. I'll know whether to place the dish towels over here or in the drawer. I think the drawer might be better because of the dust. I like how big this drawer is. Actually, the fundi just told me, you will see it, you like it. So it's very big and very deep. And I am looking for that spoon organizer to place here so that it's much more convenient to organize things in the drawer. So it's a very long one. It's the whole length of the table has a drawer. So it's good storage space for my things. Then down there I'll put maybe my flowers, because yeah, actually that's what I'll put over there. Move them from this storage space because I'll see how to organize, because we need to declutter this space. It's not getting organized, but I'm really hoping that we'll be able to declutter it, move these things, maybe get some glass jars, because yeah, maybe get some glass jars so that we can move this, declutter this whole area. Something needs to happen. Like, this space is still not looking good. I realized I have like lots of plastic things that I need to give away or dispose. These plastic containers, like, as I get glass jars, I will keep disposing of those things. So I'll figure out how to organize this place. But in the meanwhile, we'll put our groceries, our onions and stuff. The other thing I need is over here. Yeah. The other thing I need is that fruit basket to put these fruits, because using these things is not becoming. It's not very nice. So I need that I have seen a something, so I'll keep planning on it. The other nice thing I got, finally, I got the labels. So we are going to get to, we still be able to label our jars, because finally I've gotten the labels that I wanted. So we label these ones. There's turmeric, these ginger, garlic, and then these ones, this paprika, black pepper, and cinnamon. So I will label this. And the labels come with a pen. Is it a pen? Yes. They come with a pen and apparently a rubber. So in case you confuse it, you can rub. And then they have different shapes. Like, I like them. Got them from another shop in town. They have these different shapes for the stickers. And there are 60 pieces, so 60 of them. No, 80 of them. So I'm going to label as I hope to get more jars over time. So start with cinnamon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 Then we have turmeric. Then garlic. We have ginger. Black pepper. I hope they fit on the jars. And paprika. Yeah, so these are, I like that I finally got them. I had asked somewhere and someone told me to get something that I didn't want. So these ones are fitting pretty well. They have not dried properly. Then black pepper. I started with the spices that are we most commonly use. Then over time, as I get more glass jars, I will get to do. I'll get to change the spices because I have so many spices. I have way too many spices. Cinnamon, turmeric, garlic, and ginger. I want to show you how they all turn out. They are very pretty. They are very pretty. I like the labels and the small jars. And these ones you can reuse them over time. So, but anyway, they are at affordable price. So when I need to change them, I might not necessarily reuse them. But I like that you have the option of reusing them. So these are the 6 of them, my most commonly used spices. You can tell me in the comment section which spices do you most commonly use. Do you use ginger, garlic, or whatever? And would you like to order from Malkia Nutrition? Because we'll be very delighted to send you a parcel of what you use. So that's the little upgrade for my kitchen, the microwave stand, the microwave change itself, the table, and the jars, and I love them. Let me put this back. The ones that we most commonly use is the garlic, the ginger, and turmeric for stews and rice. Then these are the ones I'll just put them here. Cinnamon for baking, black pepper, and paprika. Paprika is a milder version of chili, yes. And then black pepper, it's still a pepper. This is a pepper, but milder. Black pepper is good for eggs and stews. Yeah, and then these are other spices that I keep using. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back for more content. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. Here we do content about food. We bake, we cook different stews. We also talk about lifestyle diseases, how to manage them, how to prevent them. And we also do a lot of organic farming. So if you are new here and you like the content that I'm sharing, kindly stick around, subscribe. If you would like to get any of the items that I have shown and you want to know more, just hit me up in the comment section and I will plug you in on where I got them in town. Yeah, so this was at around, this was how much? I'm forgetting, I think 1500 or something. This microwave stand. It's a little bit shaky, but I'll strengthen it and it is serving the purpose for now. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Tell me what spices you use in your house. I might go through the comment section and gift someone with a gift hamper of different spices from Malkia Nutrition. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. I know if you comment down below, you have watched to the end of this video and you might just be the lucky one to get the gift hamper. If you are the first one to comment, I'll definitely consider you sending your gift hamper. You can contact me on Instagram at Malkia Nutrition and on Facebook, also at Malkia Nutrition, TikTok, LinkedIn, all these platforms. We are there at as Malkia Nutrition. Also check out our website at www.malkianutrition.com, and we are here to serve you. Our stores are in Westlands, in Kikuyu, at Karen. You can contact us on 0798 907 154 if you would like to order anything, organic products, or have a nutritionist nutritional consultation, or you would like any of the spices or things that you have seen in this video, feel welcome to contact us. Alright, bye bye. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next one.